2. Emotional book-style narrative. In the quiet hours of the night, the soft rhythm of the breast pump fills the room. It is more than a machine, it is a bridge between mother and child. Each drop of milk carries care, sacrifice, and love. Though the baby sleeps in another room, the bond remains unbroken. 1. Informative script style. A breast pump is a powerful tool that supports mothers on their breastfeeding journey. It allows mothers to express breast milk safely and efficiently, ensuring that their babies continue to receive the natural nutrition they need, even when direct breastfeeding is not possible. With proper use, a breast pump helps maintain milk supply, prevents discomfort, and offers flexibility for modern motherhood. 23. Compassionate support script. Some breastfeeding journeys are difficult, and that is okay. What matters most is kindness, understanding, and support for every mother.